Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another unboxing from Coach. Recently I haven't been buying a lot of bags because after moving to Pennsylvania, I put all my bags laid out in the room, and when I look at the room, I felt like all my bags, they were screaming at me or something because they probably want to get out with me sometimes, but I think having too many bags, it's hard to cycle through all of them. So when I look at them, it's hard for me to make decisions in buying more bags. But today I have one from Coach. Let's hope this is a good one. This is from their extra 20% sales, so should be a good one. I've been wanting to get this for a while, and now they are on sale, so I thought it was time to get it. Let's see. I believe this is their Coach flight bag made from glove tan leather. The color I picked for this bag is in navy blue color. Let's open it up and take a look. A lot of strap situation going on here. I think it came with multiple strap. Let me remove some of the packing material. But let's look at the back first. The bags are okay, so now let's remove the straps. I admit recently I've been buying furniture more than buying bags because it's a big house here and so far it's still pretty empty. I desperately need good furniture, but they're either out of stock or extremely expensive. So if you know any good tips in buying furniture, leave a comment down below, so that could be helpful. Wow, look at that. I actually didn't realize that this flight bag actually comes with two straps. One is this leather strap that adjustable, and then with this cotton webbing strap also adjustable. So buying this bag definitely got your money worth. Yes, especially if you can get it on sales and get a good discount. Let's continue to remove all this. A lot going on. At the bottom it says original glove tan leather. I'm not sure what that means, original glove tan leather. Do they have so many different versions of glove tan leather? So this bag reminded me of the Coach Jazz Crossbody. It kind of looked like a camera bag, but Jazz Crossbody has two zippers, which I thought I like it more, but having two zipper opening that means it's two different compartments inside the bag. It split the bag into half, and I couldn't really put my camera in unless it's a really small compact camera. So I much prefer this one, just one zipper opening, so just one big compartment. If I need to organize it, I could have put in like organizer or little pouch or something. So this one comes with a front pocket and a back pocket. Definitely big enough to put in your phone or your receipt. And then on the side it has this cute turn lock opening. Let's pull out all the paper inside. Okay, this one did come with a dust bag. Almost forgot about it. Inside of the bag, yes, one zipper pocket. One side it has one zipper pocket, very smooth, good size. And then on the other side has this slip pocket. This bag is made in Philippines, which is common for Coach bag. Recently, a lot of their bags, they are made in Philippines, and so far the quality is excellent. Do you notice the extra 20% sales on Coach outlet website that's happened recently? Let me know what did you buy during that sales. This is what I picked up. I'm happy with my purchase, and hopefully I will have time to do more bag shopping soon. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.